concentration. The removal of unwanted substances or the impurities like sand and clays from the ore is known as concentration. Otherwise, it is known as benefaction or dressing of the ore. Unwanted materials may be other compounds also. Its removal is known as concentration. These impurities or the unwanted materials in the ore are known as gangue. Gangue is the term for indicating the impurities in the ore. Let us see some important procedures for concentration. First method is hydraulic washing. This is based on the difference in gravities of ore and the gangue. This is a type of gravity separation. Here, the powdered ore is washed in running water. At that time, heavier ore particles are left behind and lighter gangue particles are washed away. The process is simple. Next method is magnetic separation. In magnetic separation, the difference in magnetic properties of ore and gangue is utilized. The crushed ore is carried on a conveyor belt which passes over a magnetic roller. The magnetic ores, like iron ores, show a tendency to move towards magnetic field, and the non-magnetic gangue particles move away from the magnetic field. So they are collected in different containers. Yes. Next method for the concentration of the ore is froth flotation method. This method has been in use for the concentration of sulfide ores. Here, the principle used is the non-wettable nature of sulfide ores. That means, sulfide ore particles are wetted by oil and gangue particles by water. A suspension of the powdered ore is made with water. To this, substance known as collector is added. A collector attaches to the mineral particles and enhances the non-wettability of mineral. Pine oils, fatty acids, sandates, etc. are used as collectors. Here, the mineral particles become wet by oils, that is collectors, while the gangue particles, that is impurities, are wetted by water. After adding a froth stabilizer, for example, cresol and aniline, the mixture is agitated. Froth is formed and the water repellent mineral particles pass on into the froth. The froth is skimmed off and dried for the recovery of ore particles. The impurities remain in water. Now see the formation of the froth by agitation process and the removal of the froth. If the ore is containing another metallic sulfide as unwanted substance, a substance known as depressant is used. This depressant is selectively preventing the unwanted sulfide from coming to the froth. For example, galena, that is lead sulfide. The ore of lead is associated with another impurity, zinc sulfide, which can also rise to the surface with the froth. The depressant, sodium cyanide, is added to suppress the floating characteristics of zinc sulfide by forming a complex with zinc. The complex forms a layer on the surface of zinc sulfide and prevents it from coming to the froth. That is, it is possible to separate two sulfide ores by using depressants.